Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your WeChat account without using phone number. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your WeChat account without using phone number, firstly, go ahead and open up your WeChat application. The official page of WeChat will appear on the screen. Click on Sign Up option. From the pop-up, click on Sign Up via Facebook. On the next page, enter your Facebook ID and password and then tap on Login. This is how you can sign up for your WeChat account without using phone number quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.